You don't need more clients to make more money, but you do need this. Hey besties, my name is Christy. Thank you so much for tuning back into the channel. Today, we're going to get you more clients without getting burnt out and taking more clients. So, number one on the list, increase your prices the right way. It's one thing to say like, hey, I was just charging 35, I'm doing specials every day. Now I'm trying to charge 100. That ain't gonna really work. It's a whole other thing to say, okay, my nails are really, really good. I was charging 45, but now I'm gonna go up to 50 because I learned a little bit. And then this month I'm going up to 60. I'm gonna let y'all know, okay, I'm gonna go up to 70 this month because I got extra courses that I just took. I just paid for a bunch of advanced education, and my knowledge and my skills are so much better now that I can charge these prices. And I'm also communicating them to my clients. So do y'all see the difference between the first scenario and the second scenario? Like, increasing your prices the right way is very, very important. And also, how you set up your business from the beginning is important. If you always do free stuff, if you always do cheap stuff, then that's the kind of clients that you're building your business around. They're going to be telling other cheap people, and you're going to just be spreading that cheap nail tech. But if you start your business the right way from the get-go, everything else is easier. Now, if you didn't start your business off the right way, it's okay, but it's just going to be a little more challenging to rebuild, basically. But we'll talk about that later. Next up, offer add-ons. Okay, I see a lot of people these days who do, oh, your set is going to be $70, everything included, nothing extra. Okay, that sounds good. Like, it's going to get a couple people in the door because they're going to bring you these elaborate nail designs that they know anybody else would charge $200 for, but yours is 70. So now they're overworking you. So do add-ons. I did add-ons, okay? I did add-ons. I still do. And so you should do add-ons as well. Let's say your nail set starts at $70 for long, right? Instead of saying long nails, you can get whatever design that you want for $70. Now you're working for 3 hours, 4 hours, and you only made like $15 an hour. You might as well go work at Wendy's or something. But if you say, okay, $70 is my base price. If you get French tips, it's an extra $10. Bling is an extra $10. Um, hand drawn nail art $5, whatever. Now that's $70, $80, $95. It's almost $100 a client, which is what we want. We want to raise these prices. So that's what we got to do. Is y'all with me? If you with me, hit that subscribe button, okay? Make sure you let me know that you like this video in the comments so I can keep showing up for y'all. VIP. Y'all need some VIP stuff. Like, for my mentees in my community, girl, and for the people who I mentor, they got all the spill on the VIP. But y'all need VIP services. I call it VIP. It's basically just like higher tiered services that helps you and your client. So let's say you do a nail set and it's like, pay me $500 a month and you can get your nails done twice. You can get y'all, I'm having brain fart. You can get a sugar scrub on your hands and a free charm or something. Like, just have something that's VIP-ish. Like, everybody can't get this, but if you get the VIP package, you can get this. Regular people don't get sugar scrubs. Regular people don't get little free charms off, but you do because you're VIP. You know what I mean? And it's also helping you because you got that $500 for a month. Girl, that's really good. And also it's helping your client because it's like she's saving money at the same time. So something like that. If y'all need help setting that up, click the link in the description box and we can book a call, start our mentorship, and I can just tell you every single thing that you need and how to get your business afloat. Okay? People pay for what they want. People pay for experiences. People want to feel a good kind of way. So if you can make people feel good, girl, you got them forever. Next up, improve your client retention, y'all. Improve your client retention. Y'all don't want to just, oh, how do I get clients all day? And you get clients and then they never come back. No, ma'am, no ham, no turkey. Like, it's so important to have clients, but also retain them. So get your systems in order. And lastly, rebooking rate. I don't know if y'all pay attention to this, but you need to pay attention to your rebooking rate because if people aren't rebooking you, if people aren't telling others about you, if people aren't coming back to get their nails done, it's a problem. So you need to look at, basically when people say, look at your analytics on like Instagram, TikTok, look at your rebooking rate as well. So this also goes into like having, systems, a booking site set up, all that kind of stuff. Watch all my other videos to hear more about that. But yeah, like, get your rebooking rate up. Check that booking site. Okay, if you got an iPad, phone, laptop, I don't care. Check it and look at your rebooking rate. Who do you see that's coming back to you? And if you don't even have a booking site, who coming back to you? What faces do you see all the time? And you need to nourish them, keep them and make sure they're coming back. If they're not, you need to figure out a way to make them come back. As simple as that. Now, if you want my strategies, my pricing strategy, if you want me to mentor you, if you want to know everything I know about this stuff, like I said, everything is in the description box, all the links, book a call with me, everything. And we can get it started, girl. But don't let yourself be short. Like, don't fall short on yourself. If you know you meant for more, if you know you want to raise your prices, if you know you have some really, really good stuff out there and you want to get better clients, let's get into it. Okay. I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.